Good morning, guys. Welcome to our second virtual class of the week. Today it is Tuesday, June 9th of 2020. Today we will work with language, think tank, global, phonology, and I don't have color orange, but also we will have STEAM, okay, guys? Well, let's start with today's work. Let me share my screen with you. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, open your book number 5 in your page number 18. Page number 18, okay, guys? It is working with sounds. Okay, we will listen track number 5 2 times, okay? The first time we are going to listen and repeat the words. The second time that we are going to listen that track, we are going to write the words, okay, on the correct blanks. Well, instruction says, working with sounds. Listen to the word list again and practice your pronunciation. Then, write the correct words in the blanks below. As you can see, here we have 5 questions, okay? And we have blank spaces to write those words. So get ready because we are going to listen and repeat.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Mean.
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 Weak.
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 Deaf.
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 Meat.
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 See.
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 Bean.
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 Sweat.
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 Bread.
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 Health.
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 Health. Okay, guys. Well, now let's hear this track again. But before we listen to the track, let me read for you these questions, okay? Question number 1, it says, which word rhymes with the word threat? Number 2, it says, which words have the short E sound followed by the letter D as in spread? Number 3, do sweet and meat rhyme? Circle your answer. Listen. Sweet, meat. Sweet, meat. Does it rhyme? Let me know. Let me think about it. Well, circle your answer. I will do it mine, okay? Number 4. Which word rhymes with the word wealth? And number 5. Which words have the long E sound like in heat? Well, let's pay attention and write the words, okay, guys?
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Mean.
Mean.
Mean. Weak. Weak. Deaf. Deaf. meet, meet. See, see. Bean, bean. Sweat, sweat. Bread, bread. Health, health.
Okay, guys, now we are going to skip this part of work because we are alone in our houses, okay? So let's move to the next subject. It is language, okay? It is, let me show you, language. Let's go to our page number 80, 80, page number 80. Give me 1 second. There is, there are. Okay, when we use there is or there are, well, for there is, don't forget that we use it when the sentence tells us one thing or person, okay? Every time that we want to create a sentence talking about one person or one thing, we're going to use there is. For example, there is the board, because I'm talking about one board, okay, guys? Example, we have one example in our book. That one, it says, there is a boat sailing the sea. As you can see, there is only one boat sailing the sea. Then, when do we use there are? Well, we use there are when the sentence tells us about more than one thing or person, okay? For example, okay. There are the books. There, 2 books, 2 things, more than one, okay? Also, we have one example in our book. There are 7 forks on the table. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 forks on the table. Well, with help from this explanation, let's answer this exercise. Grab your pencil because we are going to do it together. Look at the pictures. Write there is or there are to describe them. In the first one, we have a fox. So, a fox looking at us. It is one, so you are going to write there is or there are. Write your answer, please. Number 2, some jacks on the floor. Count them. Are they one or they are more? So write there is or there are. Number 3, many girls in my class. Again, there is or there are. And the last one, a treasure in that chest. There is or there are. Well, I hope you understand everything about there is and there are. Just a small reminder to you. There is to talk only about one person or one thing, okay? There are is to talk about more than one person or thing, okay? Now, let's move on to the next subject. Let's go to global citizenship. It is page 109, 109. Community celebrations. Okay, community celebrations. Sometimes people in urban, suburban, and rural communities throw parties to celebrate their community. They might celebrate in a street, park, or field. Everyone brings something to share to the party. Use the chart to answer the questions. As you can see, here we have a chart, okay? We have the items and cost columns, and we have some rows. In the first row, it says plates. The cost is $5 for 50 plates. Row number 2, napkins, $3 for 100 napkins. Hamburgers, $4 for 1 kilogram. Hot dogs, $3 for 1 kilogram. Salad, $3 for 1 kilogram. And brownies, $2 for $1. Okay, guys? Well, grab your pencil because we are going to solve this page together. The Diaz family is going to bring plates and napkins to their community's party. They will have to buy enough for 100 people. How much will they spend on plates and napkins? Well, go back to the chart, okay? It is for 50 plates, it is $5. So if they need 100, we need to do what? Just an addition. So it will be $5 plus another 5 plus $3 from the napkins. It is a total of, don't tell me, just write your answer, okay? Number 2, the Jones family is going to buy hot dogs and hamburgers for the party. They will need to buy 2 kilograms of hot dogs and 2 kilograms of hamburgers. How much will they spend on hot dogs and hamburgers? Well, 1 kilogram of hamburgers, it costs $4. So if they need 2 kilograms, you are going to make a multiplication. 4 times 2, it is? Okay. Then the cost of the hot dogs, it is $3, and they need $3 per kilogram, and they need 2 kilograms. So 3 times 2, it is? Thank you. Now, make an addition with the result of the 2 of the multiplications, and then write your answer here, okay? I will do it with you. Now, number 3, the Kim family is going to buy brownies and salad for the party. They need to buy 3 kilograms of salad and 5 boxes of brownies. How much will they spend on salad and brownies? Well, this exercise, this number 3, you are going to do it by yourself, okay? Once you finish, let's continue with the next one. Circle the family that spends the most money for the community party. You have 3 choices: the Diaz family, the Jones family, and the Kim family. Now, let's go to the next subject. It is STEAM, the world of water. Let's go to our page 143. Pay attention to the audio, please.
The world of water. Read and listen to the following text. Look at the map of the world. What covers more of Earth, land or water? Water covers almost 70% of the Earth. That means if you cut the Earth into 10 pieces, 7 of those would be filled with water. Plants and animals need water to live and grow. So, what exactly is water? It is a liquid. It can take the shape of whatever container it is in, like a cup or water balloon. It turns into ice when it is really cold. Ice is frozen water. It is hard. It turns into steam when it gets really hot. Steam from a boiling pot of water is water in the air.
Look, just like this.
Water that has soil in it can look brown or black. You may not be able to see through water if dirt, sand, or another material is mixed into it. It doesn't have a taste. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a color. Water only has a taste, smell, or color if something is added to it. If you add sugar to water, it tastes sweet. If you add lemon, it tastes sour.
Okay, guys. Well, as you can see, water is very important, okay? On the first paragraph from this story, it says to you, look at the map of the world. What covers more of Earth, land, or water? My opinion, it is that we have more water than land on the Earth. Okay, well, don't forget that water, it is a liquid, okay? It can take the shape of whatever the container it is in it, okay? Then don't forget that cold water, it converts into a solid and we create ice, okay? Ice is frozen water and it is hard. Then we have steam. Steam, it is when you are heating some water, okay? And it is boiling, so is boiling, so the water in the air, it is steam. When the water is, it has soil, it looks brown or black, okay? So that means the water isn't clear, so it has something and it's dirty. They probably put some sand or dirt or another kind of materials on the water to mix it. And don't forget that water doesn't have a smell, doesn't have a taste, and doesn't have a color, okay, guys? Well, with help from this information, let's continue with page 144, okay, guys? Let's listen.
The world of water. Where is water found on Earth? Water is found in different places on the Earth. Oceans have most of Earth's water. Oceans are large bodies of water. They are shown in blue on the world map. Lakes have water. A lake has land around it on all sides. Lakes can be natural. They can also be made by people. They can be big or small. Water is found in rivers. Rivers are streams of water that flow across the land. Rivers can pick up sand or soil as they move. This can make the water cloudy. Ice is frozen water. Lakes and rivers can turn to ice if it is really cold. Glaciers are large moving pieces of ice. If it gets too hot, ice will turn into liquid water again. Water is also found under the ground. It is called groundwater. Rain can get soaked up by the soil on the ground. The water travels underground. It can stay in the soil or move into the rocks underneath the soil. The water stays in tiny holes inside the rocks, like the holes in a sponge. To get water out of the ground, you can dig a well. People dig deep holes into the ground. They dig until they reach the water stored underground. People can then pump the water up to the surface. This water can be used for drinking. Water really is everywhere.
I know, right? We can find water everywhere. Now we have a question. What will happen if Earth's water dry up or was polluted? Well, let me know your answer, okay? Now, guys, let's go to the next subject. It is think tank. Page 167. Attitudes about money. Think about the following statements. What is your attitude about money? Circle your answer. When you get some money, you spend it right away? Or you save it for something? Or sometimes you spend it right away and other times you save it? Well, circle the one that it is your best option, okay? Now, people have different attitudes about money. An attitude is how you think or feel about something. Some people spend their money quickly. James gets $60 for his birthday. He wants a new game. He spends all his money on it. Other people save their money. They save to buy something that costs a lot. They keep their money in case they need or want something later. Susan gets $60 for her birthday. She saves her money. She needs a new computer. It costs a lot. She can buy a new one if she saves her money. Your attitude about money affects how much you spend money. For example, you like to spend your money right away. You get $10 for doing chores. You spend your money on candy at the movies. You see a new toy at a store. You don't have enough money to buy it. If you had saved your money, you could have bought the toy. Well, about this reading, in your optional pages, I want you to make a paragraph, okay? You are going to write a paragraph with at least 4 lines letting me know what do you do with the money that your parents give to you, okay, guys? Well, this is everything for today's work. Thank you so much for paying me attention, okay? I hope you understand something, and don't forget that if you have a question, you can ask your parents to send me a message through Algebra. Have an amazing Tuesday. Bye, guys.